me show you what I'm doing today. So I'm doing a church kitchen clean. This is my before. I almost forgot to take the before. All equipment gotta be clean. We'll do the floors tomorrow, but I'm gonna do the kitchen today. Now look at all of this. And all of this on here. Gotta clean all of this area. All of this. Here, all of this. So I'll let you guys see my after when I'm done before the floors. Alright, let me get to work. I need to hear my music.
From surviving plain and to building a business empire. This is more than cleaning, this is legacy, this is purpose.
Started with a vision, just a mop and a plan. Now it's contracts and buildings, I took a stand. KSC cleaning, yeah, I built it strong. 15 years in the game, still going long. From the floors to the boardroom, I made the shift. Taught my mentees how to bid, now they uplift. What's a dream if you don't teach the next? I turn pain into purpose, that's how I flex. I'm a CEO with a mission, faith and precision. Turning contracts into change, I see the vision. From the grind to the glow, I'm breaking tradition. This is KSC, legacy in motion, listen. 4 brain aneurysms, but I still rose. God gave me this path, so the story goes. Now I walk in rooms, doors open wide. Mentoring queens with the fire inside. It's more than cleaning, it's about the mind. Teaching systems, goals, and how to grind. From Fishel's 54 to Adrian's win, every success proves where we begin. Yeah, we sweep up the doubt and we mop up the fear. Write down the limits cause our time is here. Contracts got zeros, mentees got pride. We don't play small, we multiply. I'm a CEO with a mission, faith and precision. Turning contracts into change, I see the vision. From the grind to the glow, I'm breaking tradition. This is KSC, legacy in motion, listen.